Good morning everyone. Let's start the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, features of file management. So please take out your computer book and open the page number 79. Students, in previous class you learned about Windows 7 and its components. So while working on the computer we have to store all the work in the form of files and folder. So in this chapter we learn and make you familiar with them and tell you how to manage them. Now the first topic of this chapter, that is files and folders and the file management. The term is management. What do you mean by management? Management means keep things in organized form. So file management help us to organize and keep track of our files and folders in the computer. Now term file. File means all the work that you do in the computer is stored in the form of files. And each file has its unique name. After that, there are the various type of files. Document files, like this one is a document file, spreadsheet file, image file, video file and PDF. Now next term is folder. So folder is a location for organizing your files. One term is file, after that folder. That means files saved in your folders. And the same group of files saved together under a common name is called a folder, and the subfolders contain additional folders which we call subfolders. For example, if we want to save all music files, so we just make a folder and give the name of that folder like music, MP3, and we save all music files in that folder only, so that we can keep track of our files in a particular folder. Now on the screen you can see these three folders, first 1, 2 and 3. The first folder means it is an empty folder. This is the icon for an empty folder. Second one, that is a folder containing files, and the third one, that is a folder containing subfolders. So these are the three icons for a particular folders. Now the next topic is selecting files and folders. So while working with the files and folder, you will need to select the files so that Windows 7 exactly knows the ones with which you want to work. So select files appear highlighted on your screen if you select a particular file and folder. So first is how you can selecting one file. So if you want to select a particular file, so firstly we have to open a folder or file. So this is a folder, that is a desktop folder. So how I can select a particular file? So open the folder containing files. So this is my folder, that is a desktop folder. In this folder containing some subfolders also and some files also. So click on the file you want to select. Suppose I want to select this one, that is a Radhika file, that is a Word file. So if you want to select this one, just click that or press the left button of your mouse only one time. The file is highlighted. That means it's a selected. Then how you can select a multiple files? For that, open the folder containing files. It's already open. Then click the file you want to select. I want to select this one. Then press and hold down the control key. This is the control key, this one. So press and hold down this key. One file is already selected, then press and hold down the control key. After that you can select the another one. That means place your cursor on a particular file, then press the left button of your mouse and keep press the control key, and after selection leave everything. Now three files here selected. So in this manner you can select the multiple files. Now next is how you can select a group of files. For that, open the folder containing files, here already open, then position the mouse pointer slightly above the left of the first file in the group. So this is the file I want to select, the left of the first file. Then place your cursor on it, then press the left button of your mouse and drag your mouse for the selection. So I want to select only this much. I want to select only these files, and after selection leave your mouse. So now here select it. So in this manner you can select a group of files. Next is how you can select all files. For that, open the folder containing files, then click on organize. This is the option organize, click on it. After that, click on select all. So this one, click on select all. Now all selected. Windows select all files in the folder. Now next is how you can deselect files. So if you want to deselect the files, here all files are selected. If you want to deselect all files, so you have to click on empty area within the folder. So this is the empty area. Just click the left button of your mouse. Now all files are deselected. And if you want to deselect a single file in the multiple files, so here I select this one, then press Ctrl key. I select the next one also. So I want to deselect only the first file, this one. So in that case, you can hold down the Ctrl key and click the file you want to deselect. So I want to deselect this file, so click on it. So now this file is deselected, only the one file here selected. Last method to deselect, here all files are selected, so press the Alt key from your key. This is the Alt key, this one, Alt, Alt key. Press Alt key. After then, bring the menu bar. This is the menu bar, this one. In this menu bar, you will click on Edit, that is the second option. Edit. In this option, you can see the last, that is invert selection. Click on it. Now all files are deselected. So rest chapter I will explain you in my next video. Thank you.